This is a typical engineering microphone. We use it to make sound pressure measurements. And this device is specifically designed to have a flat frequency response, which means that it measures or listens equally well at all frequencies. Now, the human ear, on the other hand, does not share this characteristic. There are frequencies we hear better than others. And the A-weighting curve is the tool we use to take a microphone recording and adjust it so that it's representative of how a human being would perceive that noise that you measured. So if we look at an example, I've got some white noise here, which is just broadband noise. If I right-click on the time history, I can play it back for you here. Okay, so if we look at the frequency spectrum for this broadband noise, we'll see that it's flat. Our microphone is measuring the same energy at all frequencies, but this is not what we're hearing as human beings. So if we want to see that, we have to A-weight it. So I just right-click on the Y-axis, go to Processing, and click on A-weighting. We'll see dBA here on the Y-axis, and we get some shape to our green line. It kind of shows us some different regions. I'm going to zoom in on this one between about 1,000 and 6,000 hertz, and it shows us that in this region, for the frequency domain, the A-weighting curve is actually amplifying or adding energy to the signal we recorded. It's because we hear really well in this band. So I throw a cursor on here, we can check out the amplitudes between the linear and the A-weighted. And there are some unique characteristics of the A-weighting curve. For instance, right at 1,000 hertz, the A-weighting curve has no effect. We see the same exact amplitude, whereas down here at 100 hertz, we got like 20 dB of attenuation. And then in this 1 to 6K band, we see amplification. So it's important to remember that if you're working on noise, for a human listener, you want to A-weight your microphone measurements to see how the amplitudes would actually be perceived by a human being and not just a microphone. Thanks.